Happy Monday, everybody. Got a little crawl space water feature going on here. Neglected unit. Look at this. Thought I saw some catfish swimming in this thing. God almighty. No idea how it's still running. She's still running. Gotta love it. This customer had a package unit put in about 3 years ago. Old mobile home unit. And they're not getting good airflow through these old beat up returns, or these supplies rather. You can see they're all beat up. But check this out. This is the old mobile home unit. And that is your factory supply. That's still wide open, just blasting out cold air up through this unit. So when I walked past this grill, I noticed that had a bunch of cold air blowing out on me. So instead of them capping that off and insulating it, they just left the unit here. So it just blows air up through this non-functional unit and out this, instead of feeding down the hallway. Gotta love it.